Hello everyone, welcome to the UltFone channel. Today, we are discussing a very practical topic, how to reset iPad without using a computer. Whether your iPad is stuck, the system fails, or you are preparing to sell the device, you can use the 3 methods described below to make your iPad look brand new. Next, I will explain each method in detail to help you solve the problem quickly. Method 1. Force restart, quickly restore device response. Sometimes, when the iPad is stuck or unresponsive, force restart is a simple and effective solution without deleting any data. Here is how. For iPads, with a home button, press and hold the home button and the power button on the top at the same time until the Apple logo appears on the screen, and then release it. This method is very suitable for temporary failures and quickly restores your device to normal. Method 2. Factory reset through iPad settings, completely erase all data. If force restart does not work, or you plan to sell your iPad, you can use factory reset to help you erase all personal data and restore the device to a brand new state. Here's how. First, open the settings on your iPad, and then go to the General option. Then find and click Transfer or Reset iPad. Then select Erase all content and settings, and the system will pop up a confirmation prompt. Follow the prompts to enter the device password. If the system requires, you also need to enter the Apple ID password to turn off the activation lock. After confirmation, the iPad will automatically restart and enter the initial setup interface, just like when you first bought it. Before operating, be sure to back up important data to iCloud or other backup platforms. Method 3. Use UltFone system repair to reset with one click. If you have forgotten the lock screen password of your iPad but still want to reset it, you can use UltFone System Repair's one-click factory reset, which can also help you fix various system problems of iPad. First, you need to connect your iPad to the computer and then put the iPad into recovery mode. Just press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until the recovery mode icon of Connect to Computer appears on the screen. Like this, your iPad is already in recovery mode. Then, open the UltFone System Repair software. You will see the one-click reset option. Click it. You will see the factory reset option and the one-click reset option. If you just want to fix some problems with the iPad, you can choose the one-click reset option. Here, we choose the factory reset option and then follow the on-screen prompts to download the required firmware package and wait patiently for the firmware download process. After the download is complete, click Start Reset. The software starts to reset your iPad. The repair process is very fast, and after the repair is completed, the iPad will automatically restart and reset. No matter which method you choose to reset the iPad, please back up important data in advance to prevent data loss. Okay, this is how to reset iPad without a computer. If you think this content is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share your experience or ask questions in the comment area. Thank you for watching. See you next time.